In this video, I will show you how you can check if your iPad is real or not. Now to check whether your iPad is real or not, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on About, and over here, just tap and hold on the serial number of your iPad. Now just select Copy. Now after you copy the serial number of your iPad, then just go to the home screen and open the Safari web browser. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just open this website. Now just select Allow while using the app. Now just enter your serial number in this section. Then tap on Next. As you can see, it has given us the details of our iPad. As you can see, it has given us the name of our iPad and the serial number. And also over here, you can check the guarantee expiry date of your iPad. Now just make sure that all these details are accurate with your iPad. If the details mentioned over here are accurate to your iPad, then this indicates that your iPad is original. Now there is also another method to check whether your iPad is real or not. And for that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on the Apple ID section, and over here, just try to sign into your Apple ID. Now, if your iPad is fake, you will not be able to sign into your Apple ID over here, but if your iPad is real, you will be able to sign into your Apple ID just like that. Now, for the next method, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Now, if you open the App Store, and if you're redirected to the Google Play Store or to any other Android app installation source, then this indicates that your iPad is fake. The App Store will only run on real Apple devices. Now by doing all these three methods, you can check whether your iPad is real or fake. But there is also one last method. And for that, just connect your iPad with your laptop or PC through the charging cable of your iPad. And after that, on your laptop or PC, just install the iTunes app. And from there, if your iPad is real, it will detect your iPad and it will give you the name and the details of your iPad. And this is how you can check whether your iPad is real or not. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.